going down further.
It's going down more?
It's going down that way more. You go play, Odie. Go play with them. Don't pee on them.
Working at it again, are you?
Get him, Odie. Odie, go get him. Don't scare him, though.
That table's smaller than the one we had, isn't
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Go get him. Hi, Max. Go get Max. Go get Max.
Where's that piece?
Hi, Max.
Where's the orange piece?
It's right here. It's right here.
It's no good, is it?
I don't think so. Go play with Max, Odie. Go play. Go play. Go get him.
You know what? That's when you put it away. Umbrella base must be used. But I broke it off. Oh, they're fucking coming over. Which one did I smack in the face?
Don't worry about it. There, he's going over.
Table looks small.
There's the table all set up. Mike, open up the umbrella so I can show it.
I'm afraid with the wind.
You don't have to keep it open for long.
Holy shit.
That's up high, isn't it? Can it go down any lower than that?
Yeah.
Okay, I was just checking. All right. This is legit how Odie likes to spend his summer days and evenings. We just put the table together just to see what it all looked like. We got to take the umbrella back in, but it's way too windy. It's really nice out, but it's way too windy. I'm just sitting here representing the Canadians. Tonight's their last game, so I'm hoping they can pull out a win. And yeah, we're just hanging out today. Hey guys, so Mike and I just had supper and now I'm out for a walk with Odie. It's 12 degrees Celsius, which is like 53 Fahrenheit, so it's milder out today. I know a lot of you guys down south would still consider this pretty cold, but I'm just out with a sweater on, a Snoopy sweater, and we're just going for a little walk. Our Montreal Canadiens game is starting in like 2 hours, so I'll be watching that. As you can see, it's nice blue skies out today. My sweater matches the sky. My mother got me this one for Christmas. But anyway, I'm going to pay attention to what he's doing. I just thought I would show you guys that I'm out for a little walk. So, I'll show you guys what it looks like, what I'm seeing. Odie's sniffing at everything. My apartment's up there, the yellow place on the other side of the graveyard. And yeah, we're just out for a walk. I don't know what it is with apartments. Every apartment I've lived in, with the exception of one, no, the exception of two. One when I was like young, when I first moved out on my own, and one when I moved out with my ex-husband. Those two apartments, with the exception of those two, the other ones that I were in. Oh, okay. So I've only lived in 4 apartments my whole life, and I lived in a house. Houses the rest of my life, but the last 2 apartments I lived in, that's what I'm trying to get at, were in a next door to a graveyard. So, I don't know what that's all about. Land's probably less expensive. But anyway, I guess I'll finish his walk with him and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, here's a fun fact for you guys in case any of my American viewers didn't know this. So, I don't know if you guys know or not, but the Montreal Canadiens are sometimes nicknamed the Habs. Do you guys know where they get that nickname? Habs as in H-A-B-S, the Habs. So, it's short for Les Habitants, which I can't speak French properly, but anyway, I can't do the enunciation properly. But that means the inhabitants, and basically it's nicknamed for that because of the French settlers from the 1700s that settled in Quebec. So it's the inhabitants from Quebec. So they nicknamed them the Habs because Montreal's in Quebec. So fun fact for you guys in case anybody didn't know that's where the nickname came from. I don't know. I just felt like saying that today. Hi, Pumpkin. Did I disturb you? Did I disturb you? My God, you're beautiful. My God, you're beautiful. You're spicy, but you're beautiful. You're my boy. You're my boy. I've been awful cuddly lately. He's been cuddly and playful all at the same time. Every time I get up to go to the washroom in the middle of the night, he sneaks into the bedroom because he wants to cuddle. Hey, you're my boy. It was just around this time last year that I can't talk today, that I nearly lost you when you were sick and you had pneumonia was starting to creep into your lungs, eh, buddy? Yeah, but he's doing great. Yes, you are. All right, I'll let you sleep. You're not wagging your tail, so you're not pissed anyway. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's Thursday, and I'm happy to say the Canadiens made the playoffs. Yay! They beat Carolina 4-2 last night, so they played a good game. Carolina played a decent game too. Like, they had a lot of hits and stuff that weren't goals, but our goaltender saved them, so that was good. Good game, good game. Actually, it's funny because Carolina's goal, it kind of, they shot the puck and it hit off of one of the Canadiens' knees and went into the net. So, that was a fluke. But anyway, good game. Good game, boys. Gooley was on fire last night. He got 2 goals in that game last night. So anyway, enough about hockey for a while. Like I said, I just started getting into hockey this year. So, I can't call myself a true fan. I don't have a lot of confidence in them making it through the playoffs, but at least they made it in the playoffs. You never know, though. They pulled up their socks since the Four Nations face-off and really dug in, so you never know. If not now, if there's a time to do it, they'll do it. But I guess they go up against the Washington Capitals, so they have to win them 4 out of 7 games. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if they can pull their act together. But anyway, I'm not going to talk about hockey anymore. This isn't a hockey channel. I'm just really excited. I sounded like my dad last night when they got it. I was like, yes, yes. Mike's like, you're nuts. And I'm like, yeah, I know. Anyway, it's about 9 degrees out there today. Mike's gone for a walk with Odie. I do need to get a shower because my hair needs to be washed. It's probably on like its 3rd day and it's getting kind of ucky. But anyway, what I want to do first is I'm going to do some housework. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to concentrate on the bathroom and the kitchen today, I think, because the living room and bedroom aren't too bad. If I sweep and mop them floors and just dust the baseboards and the furniture, that's fine. So, I mean, the living room would probably take me a half hour maybe to do, because I got to do like all the picture frames and stuff have to be dusted. So we'll see how much I can get done today. It's a small apartment, so I should be able to get it all done, but we'll see. So that's what I'm up to today, and I'll come back and talk to you guys later, or like if I do something exciting, I'll show you. So I'm not taking along for the clean with me because I just want to get in the zone and just do it. So, anyway, and I don't even know what we're having for supper, but like I said, tomorrow we're going out for my mom's birthday celebration, but this vlog will be up by then, so I'll start a new vlog if I vlog anything for that day, and it'll be up Wednesday when I put up a vlog. Oh yeah, because I can vlog that in Easter, because this weekend's Easter weekend, tomorrow's Good Friday, so I can vlog through the weekend for Wednesday. Anyway, I will talk to you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I tackled the bathroom so far today. It took me longer than anticipated, but Mike and I done everything. We took literally everything out of the bathroom. The medicine cabinet, the vanity, the shelving unit, everything. I cleaned everything. We vacuumed all the dust and hair and all that stuff up. And we cleaned under and over and everywhere. So that took a good part of the day, the good part of the afternoon when I got started. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, you've seen my bathroom before. This is why I don't like getting this color rug, because the cat lays on it and Mike comes in here with his shoes on it, so it gets dirty. I put it in the washer and it's still dirty. So this is all swept, vacuumed, and mopped. I might want to fold these towels a little bit better, but I put all my cleaning supplies down here. I got to put a garbage bag in there. They're down there. I have this basket. Used to have all our face cloths in it, but I changed it so it has like all of our medical need stuff, like rubbing alcohol, peroxide, Q-tips, stuff like that. I should have put the Epsom salts in there. I will do that. I got to do a little more organizing on this, but put all our face cloths back here and wipes for when Kaylee comes down. I have to roll this up and put it over the shower rod when we're not using it, because Pumpkin has a little hole in it, so I don't want that. And then I mucked all this out. Oh, that's a extra. I didn't use this. This I can't clean. It's where the paint came loose and the grout came loose. The only thing I can do with that, I scrub it as much as I can. But the only thing I can do with that is ask the landlord if they can regrout it for me. So I know it's yucky looking, but they have to rip the grout off and redo it. And then my medicine cabinet and me, hello. And this is all organized. I'm not going to peek into my medicine cabinet. But that's what I've been up to today. And it's all fresh and clean, and it smells fresh and clean in there. And now it's after 5. Alexa, what time is it? It's almost 10 to 6, so it's time to get something for supper. I think I'm just going to have a can of soup today. I'm not that hungry, but I got to eat something. So anyway, I'm going to end this one here. Tomorrow I'm going out for my mom's birthday, so I'll try to vlog some over Easter weekend for you guys. If you celebrate Easter, have a happy Easter. If you don't, have a great weekend. And take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll see you guys, well, I'll see you on Monday for a Makeup Monday video, but I'll see you on Wednesday for another vlog. Bye, everyone.